Hi children, very good morning. Today we are going to learn about emphatic pronoun. So my dear students, we should know forming emphatic pronouns from reflexive pronoun. In the previous class we have seen reflexive pronoun. Okay, so when a reflexive pronoun is used to emphasize a point, it is called an emphatic pronoun. Pronouns like herself, myself, yourself, itself, ourselves, himself, themselves, and yourselves are called reflexive pronouns. Okay. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and the object of the verb in a sentence are the same. In such a case, the object is the reflexive pronoun. Let us look into the example. You can see here image. Renu is looking at herself in the mirror. So the object herself of the sentence refers to the same person mentioned as the subject Renu of the sentence. Okay. So the object herself is the reflexive pronoun where object and subject are the same. So you can see here in this example. One second. So the example, Renu is looking at herself in the mirror. So Renu and herself is the same. Subject and object is the same. Okay. Now let us look into the emphatic pronoun example. Okay. So the example, I myself looked into the mirror. What is the example? I myself looked into the mirror. Now listen carefully, children. Okay. So in this sentence, myself, in this sentence, myself is the emphasizing pronoun. Okay. Myself is the emphasizing. Okay. Or we can say emphatic pronoun. So myself is used to emphasize. Okay. Myself is used to emphasize. Okay. I, the subject. Okay. I myself looked into the mirror. I myself looked into the mirror. Okay. I myself looked into the mirror. So in this sentence, myself, okay, myself refers back to the subject I. Okay. So here myself is emphasized. Myself is emphasized. So even if you remove myself, okay, still it makes the complete sense. Okay. So I looked into the mirror. So I looked into the mirror. Still it can make a sense even if you remove myself. Okay. So it is not just to add noun or object. So the meaning of the sentence remains the same. Even if you remove myself, okay? Even if you remove myself, still it makes a complete sense. So in this sentence, myself is the emphasizing pronoun or emphatic pronoun because no one else helping him, okay? Here nobody is telling him, okay? No one is helping him to look at the mirror, okay? He himself looking at the mirror. So no one is responsible for him to look into the mirror. So my dear students, I hope you understood this example. Now let us see a few more examples. I wrote the poem myself. Okay, I wrote the poem myself. So here nobody is helping. Okay, I wrote the poem myself. No one else helped me. So the phrases such as by myself and by yourself mean alone. Here myself is emphatic pronoun. Next example. We made a toy house ourselves. Okay. So the children did it themselves. Okay. We did it ourselves. No one else was responsible for it. Ourselves is the reflexive and emphatic pronoun. So we should understand the difference between the reflexive and emphatic pronouns. So once again, already we have learned in the previous class about the reflexive pronoun. Once again, you can understand reflexive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun is a word that reflects back on the subject. Okay. For example, I made food myself. I made food myself. So in this example, my dear students, see, I is the subject and myself is the object. Okay, object and subject referring to the same. Okay, subject and object. Suppose in this sentence, no, if you remove myself, okay, from the sentence, I made food. Okay, then the sentence doesn't have the meaning. The meaning completely changes. Okay, so if you remove myself from the sentence, the meaning changes completely. So we cannot specify who made the food. Okay, who prepared the food. No, it is difficult to answer it. So the meaning changes completely. Okay, so here myself is the reflexive pronoun. Coming to emphatic pronoun, an emphatic pronoun is a reflexive pronoun used to emphasize, okay, used to emphasize just on the action of the subject. Okay, for example, already we have seen the example. Once again, I myself made the food. I myself made the food. So here, reflexive pronoun myself, okay. Who is making the food? I, the subject, okay. Okay, here myself is emphasizing on the subject. Okay, I, the action. What action is doing? Cooking food. Okay, I myself made the food. Okay, an emphatic pronoun is a reflexive pronoun used to emphasize just on the action of the subject. Okay, so my dear students, emphatic pronouns are not essential to the meanings of a sentence, but they are part of the subject, and they are placed before the verbs. Okay, and they can be removed without changing the meaning. So emphatic pronoun is a personal pronoun. We use it to explain the action done by the noun without anyone's help. Without anyone's help. Okay, so emphatic pronoun is similar to reflexive pronoun. Okay, so my dear students, I hope that you understood. I am clear to you. Okay, once again, you can watch the video and understand reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun, so that you can able to write the exercise given in your textbooks. Thank you very much.